This video will show you more features associated with topic pages and documents in the Opposing Viewpoints database. This database offers nearly 500 current event topics with information deriving from academic journals, newspapers, magazines, and primary sources. Click on the Browse Issues link in the toolbar for quick access to an extensive collection of topics. Scroll down the page to see the topics. Use the drop-down box to select a category, such as Family Issues. This narrows the number of topics on the page. Now, click on a topic. Navigation links, located in the right margin, provide quick access to different parts of an article. To highlight text, click and drag over the specific area that you want to highlight. Choose Highlight and then select the desired highlight color. Creating a note works much the same way. Click and drag on the text, click on Notes, type your note, and hit Save. For future reference, you can see all saved highlights and notes by going to that tool near the top of the page. To delete a highlighted text, simply click on the appropriate area. If you are not sure about the meaning of a word, click and drag on it and click Define. A box appears with a definition from the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. To locate documents, click on Previous Page. Just below the overview are links to other information formats, including those for academic journals and magazines. Click on the link for magazines. Under Filter Your Results, you can set a publication date range. To arrange articles with the most recent at the top, use the drop-down menu located next to Sort By and click on Newest. Click on a title to read the full article. Don't forget about the Explore option to the right, where you can easily find other related articles for further research. If you have further questions about using the Opposing Viewpoints database or any other library database, feel free to reach out to us.